Hog plum, scientifically known as Spondia mban, is a nutritious fruit commonly found in tropical regions. This small oval-shaped fruit is known for its richness. The fruit has multiple health benefits beyond the vitamins and minerals. The fruit is also traditionally used in some cultures for medicinal purposes. In some regions, hog plum is believed to improve fertility, according to a seller in Benin City. The intake of the fruit seed, when roasted and grinded to powder, can facilitate fertility.
When they look for children, the seed boil am with the leaf, they take am. Very nice. For fever, maybe you dey feel cold, just wash am like this, they take am. Wash am like this, chew am. E dey shock, e dey sweet.
This fruit is also believed to be a treatment for colds and catar in both babies and adults. The high vitamin C content can boost the immune system. In traditional medicine, the fruit, as well as its leaves and bark, can be used in various preparations to alleviate respiratory conditions. This traditional uses highlight the versatility of hog plum not only as a food source but also as a component in herbal medicine. Some Benin City residents bear their minds on the fruits.
Can help for eyes, stomach pain, can wash your stomach. It's not sweet like that, it will be sour small.
This one is to wash patient's stomach like infection.
Okay.
We give like woman menstrual thing. Like that way affect patient's stomach. This one that is working for stomach, that is working about infection.
Hog plum is celebrated for its nutritional value and versatility in regions such as Africa, the Caribbean, and the Central and South America. It is often consumed fresh or used in various culinary applications like jams, jellies, and beverages. The hardly tree thrives in diverse soil types, making it a staple in tropical agriculture. Nutritionally, hog plums are rich in essential vitamins and minerals, particularly vitamin C, which supports immune system and skin vitality, and vitamin A, which is crucial for eye health. The fruit is also a good source of dietary fiber, which aids digestion, as well as minerals like calcium and potassium that contribute to bone health and blood pressure regulation. Additionally, the antioxidants in hog plum may help protect against chronic diseases. Victoria Kwamedwa reporting for VOS TV News.